So it's kind of dark. I didn't end yesterday's vlog like with a ending. Ugh, double chin. We'll just go like this. So I didn't end yesterday's vlog. There's a glare. We'll sit like this. I can't get situated for this. I didn't end yesterday's vlog, so this is gonna be like probably like a 2-day vlog maybe. But the husband just left for work. Me and him went and washed like 5 loads of clothes. Well, not really 5 loads of clothes. It was more like 2 loads of clothes. We washed the sheets and we washed towels at the laundromat because I have to call and still get our dryer and wash machine installed. So that's a thing that I have to do still. So I'll be doing that later today. And then we're also trying to plan our not our honeymoon, but like our 1-year anniversary trip. Me and him have wanted to go to Universal Studios for the longest time. I haven't been to Disney World since I was 9 years old. And like, you see all these people going to Disney World all the time and you're like, it just looks like so magical and so much fun. So we're probably we were gonna fly, but it's really expensive. So now I think we're just gonna hash it out and drive. Luckily, from where we live now, it's only 6 hours instead of 10. So we'll just hash it out, drive, and do it that way. So I'm also gonna look up like some hotels today and might even call Universal Studios and see what kind of deals they have going on and stuff like that. It would be super cool if I could find a package where it was like, you stay at this hotel, free food, pay X amount for the tickets. Like, maybe that's just not realistic, but it would be totally cool. So we went and did the laundry, and then we went and washed. Oh my god, I can't even talk. And then we went and had Chick-fil-A for lunch, and then we went to Big Lots, and I found a storage container. Zoomed in so much. Found a storage container for my makeup, basically. Oh, that I already had, but these are just some drawers, 4 drawers, which should hold all of my makeup, including like the other things that I have. But I did find a desk at Big Lots, which is like now my most favorite store ever. It's like a really big, huge, like nice Big Lots. But there's a desk. The dogs are just following me. Y'all really don't need to be up here. There's no blankets or sheets on the bed, so I don't really want you up here. And I have to hang some of these clothes up really soon before they become wrinkly. But get down. Get off the bed, please. Watch. He's just gonna plop right down. Wait for it. Zeus, get down. He thinks get down means lay down. Anyways, so found a desk, and as soon as I get my paycheck, I'm gonna get it. It's a really nice desk. Has 2 drawers in it, so I'll be able to put like my everyday makeup in it, and then like on the other side like makeup I'm trying or most recent makeup. So that'll be nice. But yeah. That's just a quick little update for today. Today is Wednesday. I can't believe I've already been living down here for basically almost a week, and it's just weird because I've been off for almost a week now, and I just can't believe it. I'm so tired though, but I think I'm gonna try and hang up a whole bunch of these clothes, and then I'm gonna take a nap for sure, because I need to take a nap. And then I'll check back in with you guys in a little bit. I think I want to film a video today. I need to film my Project Pan update video, so I'll probably do that. And then I have a lot of things to do. Like, it's crazy. Like, you would think like not having a job would be like you don't have a lot of stuff to do, but I have a lot to do. There's dishes down there that need to be washed again because I made food last night. And, I made supper. I just bought a broom, so I need to sweep like the whole entire house and the bathroom. Hang up all these clothes. And like I just took the dogs out too. Like I took them for a pretty decent walk, so they're sleepy. They get tired real easily now because they're older. Shit, I get tired now because I'm older. But like there's always something to do. But I need to get up, hang these clothes up, and yeah, that's what we're gonna do. Zeus, you wanna be my tripod? You wanna be my tripod, Zeus? Yeah, that's not gonna work. I'll see you guys in a bit. Okay, so that last clip I wasn't even filming, but so right now I'm out of breath, and I'm bringing all of my stuff upstairs to put away in my makeup bin, which you guys will watch. Pretty sure you can see me. Can you see me down here? Yeah, okay. It is so flipping hot. So flipping hot. And I kind of want to play music. So I might have to I don't even know, dude. What is up, beautiful fam, beautiful guys, and ladies and gents? I'll just put you, that's a good spot, right there. Awesome. I think that's pretty dang good. I have like 2 bars, so I need to charge this, but so I have some coffee made, and I'm fixing to be working on editing this vlog and editing some other videos, so I can have them ready to be uploaded tomorrow when we get internet. And yeah, so I'll have some content, fresh content this weekend. Goal is to have something up by Saturday, hopefully Friday night, and my uploading schedule is gonna change. It's gonna be very consistent, and if you guys have any like video idea requests or things that you would like to see me do in vlogs that like really stand out, like I know like the whole coffee scene, like a lot of people, like that's really satisfying for them. It's really satisfying for me just because I love coffee. If you like seeing my animals, like if that's interesting, I'll put them in, you know, more. If you like cleaning, I'll put that in, you know. Just let me know what you guys like. And yeah, so I'm gonna start editing, uploading some stuff, and also planning some video ideas and when I'm gonna upload certain things. So yeah, I'll check in with you guys in a little bit. Oh, nice. Is the lighting okay? You got you in your nice, beautiful glasses.
I get complimented on everywhere here.
We're on our way to Big Lots to get a few things that we need, necessities. I know we went the other day, but we didn't think about these things for some reason until after. So that's what we're gonna go do. And hope to God the traffic is not flipping crazy. But yeah, good thing it's not too far away. You know, getting the whole house thing, essentials. Gotta have some soap to wash our bum. And I found these really cute things. If you got it, hold it, yeah. And we still didn't find the like smelly good wall stuff, but we did find this really smelly good candles, so. But that means we still gotta go somewhere else. Oh, Jesus. Alright, so I've decided that this right here is like a little tripod thing for right now, setting the camera on it. But I'm fixing to leave to go to the airport to pick up my friend Sam, my best friend. She's coming in to stay for a few days. I'm letting my phone charge for a few minutes because it's like got 20%, and I'm just looking at the map, just, you know, kind of know where everything is a little bit. I'm gonna be using my GPS, but I only have 20%, so hopefully I have enough. But yeah, I'm pretty excited, so hope you guys will enjoy the vlogs that I will have coming this weekend from me and her. We might film a couple videos. We're definitely going to take some photos, so be on the lookout for that on my Instagram. And yeah, this weekend's gonna be hella fun, yo.